Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to edit photos with Remini. So first thing, open up the Remini app. So you can install the app from the Play Store or App Store. So just install it and open it up. So once you open it up here, you'll get to this screen here. So here you can simply choose a photo that you want to edit or to work on it, so you can enhance it with the help of Remini's AI features. So just choose a photo. So for example, like here, I'll just choose one photo here. So tap on it. So select a photo, okay, and then when you select a photo, you have the option to enhance it. So you can click on these, click on the enhance option. So what happens is that you are letting the AI to enhance your photo. So it will process your photo within few seconds, where it's going to do minor touches, constructions and all those things. Okay, it's going to do those things here. So this was before and this was after. So as you can see the difference between now, before and after. So if you scroll down here and keep it, and you can see the color differences and slight works has been done. And you can further edit these by changing the backgrounds, by adding colors here. And you can scroll through all these things, like including face enhancer and all those things. You can actually choose to use it, or if you don't want to use it, you can simply, for example, tap on it. Okay, so for example, just tap on it in order to use it. And some of these features are locked to, you need to have the subscription in order to use certain features here. So you can choose any of these features, and all you have to do is just tap on it and it will edit your photo and add these settings to your photo. And once that's done, it will show you a comparison here with the slider, as you can see, where's the original versus the enhanced one. So this is how you can edit it with Remini. It's very easy and straightforward. All you have to do is simply select it, and then the AI will do the job for you in regards to editing and enhancing. And once that's done, you can simply hit on the save option here and then save the photo. That's pretty much it is.